Okay, good day to all. Today I'm going to show you how you can update your course image and your course description on the MStar. So your course image and your course description. Okay? Now first, from your dashboard, you're going to click on a course that you're enrolled in. So from your dashboard, you're going to click on a course that you're enrolled in. Okay, I'm going to click on mathematics. Okay, so this is my mathematics course page, but already updated my course image on mathematics. So I'm going to go to another subject in my grade 1, on my grade 1 page. Now this is my grade 1 page, and if you've noticed, I've done all the course images. All my courses have their images updated, so I'm going to move to one of my colleagues' page. So I'm going to click on the breadcrumb that says Hermitage Government. And from there, I'm going to try to work with a course from the juniors. Okay, so I'm going to choose one from grade 3. Okay, now you've noticed that the mathematics course image and the language arts course image, these courses already have their images uploaded. So I'm going to choose agricultural science. Now, first thing I would do, I would open the course like I did just now, and then I'm going to move to course management. Now, when you click on course management, this window would open. Then I would move to edit course settings. Okay, so this would bring me to this page. Okay? Now from this page, I'm going to upload the course image and update the course description. So you see the name of the course here is Agricultural Science. So I'm going to put a course description that is related to agricultural science. So this course teaches students about growing crops and taking care of animals. Okay, now you can add more if you like, or you don't even have to add this because this is just coming from my head. You can put whatever course description you think would best suit your students. Okay, so now that I've updated the course description, I'm going to update the course image. So I'm going to add a file. Okay, I'm going to upload a picture that would suit my course image. Remember, it's an agricultural science course, so I'm going to go on my computer and look for something that's is related to agricultural science. Now, you can find your image on the internet, download it, and have it saved on your computer, so it would be easy for you to access. So, agriculture. And I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to upload this file. Right? See, it's already here. Now, if you upload a picture and you think that you don't really like this picture, you want to change this picture, you can just click on it and then you delete it, okay? Right, but I'm not going to delete it because I like this picture and this is a picture I want for agricultural science. And then I'm going to click Save and Display. Okay, now I would like to see the picture on my course page. So then I would go to under the breadcrumb, grade 3, click on the breadcrumb, and voila, I'm on the page, and here is my course image uploaded, agricultural science. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Thank you for viewing.